What's up, YouTube? It's Yoshi here, TNYC, coming at you with another duel with my friend Junior.
Hey, YouTube.
There's gonna be a match against Lightsworn and against Windup. This is game one. I just made the Lightsworn, Yoshi here.
And I just made Windups.
I made Windup because between all my teammates, I had all the cards, so I just made it for fun. I don't even know how to use it, so hopefully I don't do no mistake for you guys. And after the duel, I may do a deck profile on both decks, and if we can help each other out to make the deck better, especially me, because I don't know how to use it.
I'm pretty bad at making some choices.
Bottom card?
I don't.
It's your first monster.
Of course you're gonna win. There's nothing over to the three.
Yes. Card trooper, mill 3.
Ooh. Ah, the other two were bad.
Sure. There you go.
What is it?
I literally made this deck like in 2 days. I had all the cards and all the cards, and the cards that I had to look for was toy busting. That's it.
Oh.
You got warning?
Yeah. Oh shit, I think so. That MST. Nah, I take one. But. Let's see.
Sorry if we misplay, we still noobs out here.
Yeah.
We're still learning how to play.
Except for Melvin, he think he's big. Cause he won on locals. If I would have intro, I would have that.
Go.
That's crazy.
By the way, I always lose on camera for some reason, so don't expect me to win. Maybe it's because I don't focus on it.
Well, there you go. Oh, what is this? God. Come on. Post that and go. I'll post that and go. Damn, what is? Oh my god. Yeah, I think I'm putting the tank into 2 Yoshis.
Go.
Mama.
I made this build just to see if I like it, but I'm not really liking it that much.
Mama?
Sure. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I got February.
Attack. Oh, take 3.
You take 300.
Yeah. Yo. That's crazy. Why always first do is worry? What? should have power shot for more.
135.
You got another one here. Go ahead, see.
One more over there, let me see. Tackle 25, that's 15. What is that? You took Cody 2,000 because you wanted my right goal?
Yeah. That's 15.
15 more. So that's
3,500.
2,500.
4,500.
4,500. Then you took 300 because you attacked this nigga. So that's. What was I said? 45,
4,800.
right? 800?
800, yeah.
You come on, hey, and you make me.
Do it. Wait.
Cool.
Mama.
Sure.
Fat. I still lost this stuff. Should never won in that rifle. There you go. That's game.
I think that's pretty much game, I think.
Yeah.
Tight. So that's that's game. Yeah, so I took game 1. Don't be surprised if I lose in game 2 and 3. I always lose. I feel like a noob playing this deck. I'm not really that good. So that was game 2. I took it with Lightsworn. I'll see you in game 2.